Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Monday morning. Put ourselves in the right mood by getting some fresh air, looking at sunshine. Isn't it good? So Monday morning I start early, and earlier than usual, much earlier than I am comfortable with. And I feel my mind is clouded, my thoughts is confused or just not yet ready. And I have 2 hours opening between classes. So I decide to come out to get some fresh air, to prepare myself. I'm sorry for the airplane noise again. Okay, I think now it's better. I just saw a message, a comment on one of my video on YouTube. I think I was talking about failure, and I forgot what I was talking about. But this comment is very, very, very eye-opening, thought-provoking. And the comment said, if you feel something like it, if you feel you are not recognized, we do not feel recognized if from the bottom of our heart we do not recognize and appreciate ourselves. That thought has not yet totally get into my system, so I cannot remember all of them. But I start to chewing on the thought that the truth is we will not feel good if we depend on others, how they reflect us. We as a complete person, a complete entity, ourselves, is sufficient enough. We can decide how we feel. We can decide we are appreciated or not. If we do actively appreciate ourselves and put ourselves into a grateful, into a satisfying state, nobody can diminish our own positive thoughts. Anyway, I am still a little bit clouded and still a little bit unclear, but one thing really I want to do, and I try to do, is make a decision. Today will be a good day. And it is true. This is a good day. And I am doing good. I am all right. It's just right. I prepared myself. I got up early. I did a little bit makeup. I made myself ready to live my life. This is an achievement, and I am okay. And that's it. And that's it. Happy Monday. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friend.